Hi there, my name's Claire Desira and I head up the Top 5 movement. We're a training organisation that builds capability and confidence and mindset and resilience for leaders and people in change making and generous careers like you. You're our favourite kind of people that want to do work that actually makes a difference. So you may be reading this newsletter because you're just curious about what's out there, or you might actually be hard and fast looking for a job. You've had enough of where you're working now. Well, either way, looking for a job can be a really vulnerable process. It can be exciting and adrenaline inducing, but it can also make us feel a little bit vulnerable. So it's a time that's really important to understand and leverage our mindset and how our brain works as well as we can. As an organisation, we help individuals and teams to do exactly that. We're fascinated by how the brain works, and we want to share with you over a series of videos each week, simple things that you can do to change this experience of looking for a job this time around. The first thing we're going to do is to just let you know that every day we have a certain number of thoughts. So some research suggests between 50 and 70,000 thoughts a day. And for the average person, we have more negative thoughts than positive thoughts. In fact, they say that the brain can be like Velcro for those negative experiences. They can really stick, and like Teflon for positive experiences, which can just slide straight off. So you can see that this presents a bit of a challenge when we're going through a job search process, because there are rejections and knocks, and we do have to be really vulnerable. So the first thing I want to share with you is that you can actually train your brain to expect more positive things and to look out for and notice and make those positive experiences as sticky as possible. Every application, every interview, every time you read a new job description, you might learn something more about what you want, or just as importantly, what you don't want. And so there are lots of positive highs to notice and experience throughout the job hunting process. We need to train our brain to expect to see these. So a quick and easy way to do this is every day to pick up a pen and write down 5 positive things that have happened that day. By doing this, we train our brains to actually look out for these moments, and we can experience more confidence, better problem solving skills, we can be more analytical and healthier and more energetic over time as well. So that's your quick tip today to get started. And then over the next videos, we'll be exploring things around the most important lists to write during the job change, and they're certainly not the types of lists that you might be expecting. We can't wait to see you in the next video. In the meantime, if you want to check out some of our mindset training and simple but powerful resources, please come over to top5movement.com and have fun looking around. See you soon.